Psychologists study the human mind from a scientific viewpoint to help people understand and change their behavior. Psychologists assess individuals to diagnose their mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders and then treat them using a variety of techniques. Provide assessment and recommendations for appropriate treatments. Diagnose and treat various mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. Review relevant literature, synthesize evidence-based materials, and translate complex behavioral health concepts. Conduct case management and other administrative tasks as needed. Provide referral services to outside therapists, clinics, and treatment facilities. Participate in off-hours call rotation. Assess, score assessments, and attend eligible/individualized education program (IEP) meetings. Plan and provide clear and intentional focused instruction based on individual student IEP goals using state standards, subject matter content, and district curriculum. Consult with staff and parents, making recommendations for developmentally appropriate services and strategies to assist in improving student achievement. Act as a liaison with community agencies that provide services to children. Provide behavior consultation for students by designing and implementing measurable behavior interventions. Provide psychological services as related service per student's IEP. Establish effective client relationships to provide optimal client solutions. Manage the development of innovative human capital research projects. Identify opportunities for efficiencies in the work process and innovative approaches to completing the scope of work.